You see, it starts recording. And then you choose this pointer, okay? And now you can easily show, instead of just saying the arrow pointing down, you can actually show it, see? The arrow pointing down represents gravity, because gravity is the force that pulls objects to the center of the earth. Now, opposite gravity pushing up is normal force. Okay? This is what prevents the vehicle from sinking. Now, if you look over here, the force pushing to the right is air resistance or drag. This is a type of friction which opposes the forward push. So you can see the forward push wants to push the car towards the left, but air resistance wants to push the car the opposite direction. So see how you can use this, and this tool is very powerful because you can write all over it, okay, and then it suddenly disappears and then it suddenly appears, okay? See, I can write all four there. And then you can say, this is pointy because it's streamlined so that it breaks through. See? So that is how you can use Goodnotes to show your, to explain your blueprint, okay?